If someone paid you every year just for owning something, would you just take it seriously? Because that's exactly what most people are ignoring right now. Do you know someone just got paid thousands of cedis, not from a job, not from a business, but from owning shares? And the painful truth is, most people will never experience this because nobody is teaching them how money really works. In this video, I'm going to show you top 5 powerful dividend-paying stocks on the Ghana Stock Exchange, and I will break down their dividend history, payment structure, and payout ratio for you to understand properly. Welcome to Get Rich channel. Here we teach about stocks and share tips on legit ways to make or double your money with ease. Kindly hit the subscribe button to stay updated anytime a new video is uploaded. Before we jump into the stocks, understand these things. Dividend alone don't make you rich. It's how you choose them. There are 3 things you must always look at in choosing dividend-paying stocks. The first one is the dividend yield. That is how much cash you get back each year from dividend relative to the stock price. It is calculated as annual dividend per share divided by the stock price per share multiplied by 100. The second thing to look out for in choosing dividends paying stocks is their payout ratio. This shows the percentage of a company's profit it pays out as dividends to shareholders. So let's say a company's payout ratio is 60%. That means the company pays 60% of the profit they get as dividends to their shareholders, and the rest is kept for reinvesting, payment of debt, or savings. Now, the payout ratio is calculated as total dividends paid all over the net income multiplied by 100, or dividends per share divided by earnings per share multiplied by 100. The last thing to also look out for in choosing dividend paying stocks is consistency. Do they pay dividend every year? Imagine company A that pays a dividend of 0.5 pesos every year for 5 years, compared to company B paying 0.8 pesos as dividend 3 times in the same year period. You realized company A will give you more profit in dividends for that year period as compared to company B, although the dividend price of company B yearly is higher as compared to company A. This is why consistency really matters, because the goal is not just to make money once. The goal is to build income that keeps coming again and again every year. Now that you understand these terms, let's get into the first and most powerful dividend stock on the list. Number 1 on the list is Total Energies. In recent years, Total Energies have been paying serious dividends. Around 2024, investors were getting over 2 cedis per share. Then 2025 came, it increased again to more than 3 cedis. It shocked many investors for jumping to over 3 cedis per share. They have dividend yield of 9.33%, meaning for every 100 cedis you invest, you earn about 9 cedis 33 pesos every year in dividend. They also have a dividend growth of 149.86%, which means the dividend increased about 150% compared to the previous year. Their payout ratio is 120.06%. That means Total Energies paid out more money in dividend than it actually earned. For example, if the company made a profit of 100 million Ghana cedis, it paid 120 million Ghana cedis as dividend. That is not a small money. Let me give you a breakdown of their dividend history. In 2021, Total Energies paid a total dividend of 0.745 Ghana cedis. In 2022, it increased to 1.044 Ghana cedis. Then in 2023, they paid out a total dividend of 0.724 Ghana cedis. In 2024, it again increased marginally to 2 cedis 56 pesos per share. In 2025, it again increased to 3 cedis 22 pesos per share. Total Energies are yet to announce their dividends for the year 2026 period. Let's make it real. Let's say you owe just 1,000 shares in Total Energies in 2025. That's over 3,000 cedis paid to you as dividends. No stress, no boss, no extra work. But this is where smart investors separate themselves from beginners. Total Energies sometimes pays out more than it earns. That means the dividend looks attractive, but it may not always be sustainable. So this is not a blind investment. This is a strategic one. You enjoy the income, but you keep your eyes open. Number 2 on the list is MTN Ghana. Let me ask you something. What is that one company in Ghana that almost everyone uses every single day for calls, data, mobile money? That's exactly MTN. Now think about this. Every time someone sends money, buy data, or make a call, a small portion of that money is flowing into MTN. And as a shareholder, you are part owner of that machine. This is not just a company. This is a cash generating engine. And the numbers tell a powerful story. Let's look at their dividend history. In 2021, MTN paid a total dividend of 0.115 Ghana cedis. Then in 2022, it increased to 0.124 Ghana cedis. In 2023, it again increased to 0.225 Ghana cedis, which is around 22 pesos. In 2024, it increased again to 0.24 Ghana cedis. In 2025, it increased again to 0.305 Ghana cedis, which is around 30 pesos. In 2026, MTN has declared a total dividend of 0.48 Ghana cedis, which is 48 pesos per share. Do you see the pattern? This is not random. From the data I've shown you, you can see MTN dividend increases every year. Now, here is what most people don't understand. When a company consistently increases dividend, it means one thing. The business is making more money. And when the business makes more money, you also make more money because you are part of the company. But I won't lie to you. MTN pays out a large portion of its profits to their shareholders. Their dividend yield is around 7.64%. This means for every 100 cedis you invest in MTN, you earn about 7 cedis 64 pesos every year as dividend. They have a dividend growth of 57.38%, meaning the dividend increased by about 57% compared to the previous year. They also have a payout ratio of 54.03%, meaning MTN pays out about 54% of its profit as dividends. That's great for income. If you are the kind of person who wants to wake up one day and see consistent money hitting your account, MTN is one of the strongest foundations you can build on. Number 3 on the list is Benso Oil Palm Plantation. Now let's move into a stock many people ignore, but smart investors quietly watch. That's Benso Oil Palm Plantation. This is where things get interesting because this company doesn't just depend on business. They depend on nature and global prices. Over the past few years, Benso has shown strong dividend growth and recently pushing even higher. When prices go up, their dividend payout also increases. Currently, they have a dividend yield of 1.77%, which means for every 100 cedis you invest, you earn about 1 cedi 77 pesos every year as dividend. Although their dividend yield is low, Benso Oil Palm Plantation have been consistent in the paying of their dividends every year, which is a plus. I've already explained to you the power of consistency when it comes to dividends. They also have a payout ratio of 56.65%. That means the company is paying out about 56% of its profit as dividends to their shareholders. Now let's look at their dividend history. In 2021, Benso Oil Palm Plantation paid a total dividend of 1.062 Ghana cedis. In 2022, it reduced a little to 0.943 Ghana cedis. Then in 2023, it increased again to 1.325 Ghana cedis. In 2024, it again increased to 2 cedis 13 pesos. In 2025, they paid a total dividend of 1 cedi 97 pesos. Ben's Oil Palm Plantation is yet to announce their dividend for the year 2026. Someone may ask, so who should invest in this? Now, this type of stock is for someone who understands timing and opportunity. Number 4 on the list is Goil PLC. Now, let's slow things down a bit because not every stock is about excitement. Some are about peace of mind. Goil is that company that doesn't make noise but keeps showing up. Year after year, it has been paying almost the same dividend, not increasing much and not decreasing much, just steady. And that consistency is more powerful than people think because in investing, predictability is valuable. You won't become rich overnight with Goil, but you also won't lose. This is the kind of stock that stabilizes your portfolio when others are unpredictable. They have a dividend yield of 0.71%. This means for every 100 cedis you invest in Goil, you earn 0.71 cedis every year. They also have a payout ratio of 25.25%. That means the company is paying out about 25% of its profit as dividend. In 2021, Goil paid a total dividend of 0.047 Ghana cedis. Then in 2022, it increased to 0.048 Ghana cedis. From the year 2023 to the year 2025, Goil has maintained a total dividend of 0.056 Ghana cedis. That means from the year 2023 to the year 2025, they have maintained a consistent amount of 0.056 cedis as their dividend. Goil is yet to declare their dividends for the year 2026. Last on the list is SICK Insurance. Now let's talk about potential, not just what a company is today, but what it can become. IC is not the biggest dividend payer right now, but it's evolving. Over recent years, SIC's dividends have been slowly increasing from small amounts to gradually higher payouts. Insurance companies make money differently. They collect premiums, invest those funds, and generate returns. So as the business improves, dividends can grow significantly over time. They have a dividend yield of 1.12%. That means for every 100 cedis you invest in SIC, you earn about 1 cedi 12 pesos every year as dividend. In 2021, SIC paid a total dividend of 0.014 Ghana cedis. In 2022, it increased to 0.042 Ghana cedis. In 2023, there was no dividend paid by SIC. In 2024, their dividend payment was increased to 0.047 Ghana cedis. In 2025, they maintained the same price of 0.047 Ghana cedis. They are yet to declare their dividend for the year 2026. In all, Total Energies has the highest dividend payment and payout ratio, followed by MTN, then Ben's Oil Palm Plantation, then Goil, and lastly, SICK Insurance. Thank you for watching. In my next video, we will be looking at the future of the best performing stocks on the Ghana Stock Exchange and also how to analyze a stock critically before you buy. If you've loved this video, kindly do well to subscribe and share for others to benefit. You can also put all your questions in the comment section and I'll answer them.